Hi Sudoku friends, welcome today on Monday February the 17th 2020. We have only one mighty Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. In this column we have a 5 here. In the column next we have a 5 over there. So in the last column the only two places for 5 should be here or there. But I see here already a 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Then an 8 in this row. An 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be here. So there goes the 8. Then do we have more numbers? Yes, I see a pair in this big square. We have a 4 in the second row, a 4 in the third row. So in the first row, the only two places for 4 should be here or there. The same with the 9. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 9 should be here and there. So we have a 4 and a 9 here. 4 and a 9 here. Remember that? I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Anyway, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. Because those numbers are 4 and 9. So we have 4 numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here a 2. So no 2 in these two boxes. I see there are 2. So no 2 in this box. Only one box remains for the 2 should be this one. Then we go to this. Yes, in this in this last column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in these two boxes. I see there 7, so no 7 in this box. Only box remain for this column for the 7 is this one. So here we have 4 and 9, 4 and 9 in this big square. So these two are for the numbers 1 and 6. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 and 6 as a pair. That means in this row, one box left for the number 7. 7 is missing here. Okay, 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6 in the second row. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be there, and the 5 goes here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in this column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. I see we have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Yes, alright. Then 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between, the only two places for a 7 is here or there, but I see here already a 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then Eight, 5, and 2. Let me see. What can I do? Alright. Let me think. Yes. And now, what is the following step? Can I do something with yeah. I need more time. This 8. Yes, the 2, of course. This big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. I see there 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remain for the 2 should be this one. Then one of the missing numbers of these 4 boxes is a 3. I see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. The same with the 3 in this big square. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. The 3, I have a 3 there, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. The 3 should be in one of these 2 boxes. So in this row, we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle row, we have a 3 in these 2 boxes. So in this row, the 3 could be in this box, in that box, or in this box. But we have a 3 here, so no 3 there. We have a 3 over there, so no 3 there. 1 box remain for the 3 should be this one. And I see here, of course, a 3. So we have a 3 in this column, a 3 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be here. I didn't saw this 3. So anyway, 3 missing boxes in this big square. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 6 is missing, and 8 is missing. I see here the 6 and the 4. So 1 digit is left for the 8. This should be an 8. Here we have a pair, 6 and 4, 6 and 4. That means in this column, 1 box is left for the number, number 8. Number 8 is here missing, 6 and 4, 6 and 4. These 2 numbers of this column for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait 2 and 5, 2 and 5. These three numbers, 2 and 5, 6, 9, and 4. 6, 9, and 4. I see here a 6 and a 9, so this must be a 4. So here we have a pair, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Here we have 5 and 2, 5 and 2. A lot of pairs. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. Anyway, these three numbers of this row, for the numbers, the missing numbers are 4, 8, and 4, 8, and 9. 4, 8, and 9. And I see here 8 and 9, 8 and 9. That means one digit left for the 4. 9 and 8, 9 and 8. Remember that this is a pair. Then let me see. Two, two, two. 2 and 5, 2 and 5, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. These three numbers. The missing numbers are 2 in this row, 2, 7, 2, 7, and 8. 2, 7, and 8. 2, 7, and 8. The 7 should be here. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be here. The 8 is left for this row. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for 7 is here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. We have also here a pair. The numbers are 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Remember that. 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. 3 goes there. The 6. Yes, 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for 2 is here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be here. And I remember we have here a pair, the 2 and the 5 of this column. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And I remember in this column, 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 5. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 9 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square. For the numbers 5 and 4, we have a 5 here, no 5 here, 5 should be here, the 4 goes there. Then 2 numbers left for this big square. For the numbers 6 and 9, I cannot fill this yet. Yes, I can, because we have a 9 there, no 9 here, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in this row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there, but I see here already 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 1 number left for this row, for the number 3. Then the 3, I know 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so in the column between, the only place for the 3 should be here. Then here the numbers were 9 and 4, 9 and 4, I cannot fill this yet, 9 and 4, these two, 1 and 6, 1 and 6, we have now a 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square, for the numbers 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left for the last column, for the number 4. 2 numbers left for this big square, for the number 6 and 4, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be here. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 9. 2 numbers left for this big square, for the numbers 9 and 8, 9 and 8, we have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there, and the final, no, not final 2 numbers, these 2 numbers of this big square, for the numbers 8 and 1, we have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square, for the numbers 9 and 4, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. If you like, you can also subscribe. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and for a new edition I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.